Hi, my name's John. We're here at Johnson RV in Fife in our showroom. I'm going to show you this 2020 Pleasureways Ascent TS. 19.5 feet long on the Mercedes. Really nice coach. This one's in really good shape. Low miles. Pleasureways makes a premium RV, one of the best manufacturers in North America. Come on inside and you can see Corian countertops. Beautiful light wood. All the wood looks really nice. This is really well put together. One of the few later models that has a three-way fridge. Up to 2018, most of the coaches were just 12 volt, but this has a three-way in here. It's got lithium batteries. Super nice, soft upholstery in here. This all makes into a bed. So many features on here. Just give us a call. Johnson RV in Fife and ask for John in sales.